Hello guys. Welcome back. This is Mask Edit. Do you want to take your edit into new level? You are on right place. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
First, freeze the clip. Then duplicate it for times. Go to Remove BG on the first image. Select the face. On the next one, select the team logo. On the next one, select half of the body. Convert it to overlay. Do the same for all. Arrange them in a sequence. Add to keyframes and slightly shrink it at the beginning. Then go to Graphs and set to Easy Out. Do the same for all. Then go to Animation and set to Fade In. Set it to 0.2. Do the same for all.